Hey guys, it's MHFin. In today's video, we're going to be going over a stock that doesn't get a lot of attention, but should be in everyone's portfolio. BAE Systems, a British multinational defense, security, and aerospace company. Famous around the world for developing some of the world's most advanced weapons, BAE Systems' price has slowly diminished to near 5-year lows. Unlike many other overpriced stocks in this market, BAES has strong potential for growth with entrenched positions within the cybersecurity and commercial aircraft industries. Sales are expected to grow given a diversified set of products with positions in the United States, Saudi Arabia, and the United Kingdom, allowing weakness in one area to be offset by strength in another. The company's 17% stake in the Lockheed Martin F-35 Joint Strike Fighter program will ensure strong revenues for decades to come as the program is slated to generate and sell more than 3,100 aircraft. Recent order cancellations such as the South Korea F-16 order withdrawal have caused the company's stock to dip, and dwindling defense spending is making it hard to compete over an increasingly smaller entire market. But as we know, world events are set to turn at any moment, and defense spending can explode overnight, giving a worldwide tension increase across many geopolitical issues. With a large portion of its sales coming from government defense work, BAE is shielded from many of the normal weaknesses companies in other industries may experience. Being one of the largest defense firms in the world, BAE has massive political connections, ensuring their survival for years to come, competing in a space that's heavily integrated with the upper echelons of the world's most advanced militaries. 95% of its revenues come from military-related asset sales. Although founded as a British company, it has divisions around the world, both American, Australian, Indian, and Saudi Arabian. Starting with their air division, BAE creates many of the world's most advanced fixed-wing aircrafts in joint and wholly owned operations. Some of these aircraft include the F-35, the Eurofighter Typhoon, the Warrior Jet, and countless other training aircraft. Then there is their Systems Applied Intelligence division, which provides governments around the world defense against cybercrime, espionage, and other information security risks. Moving to the southern hemisphere, there is BAE Systems Australia, which provides sea, ground, air, cyber, and communication defense solutions for the New Zealand and Australian military. In the South Indian division, BAE provides armed services for various Indian military branches. In the Middle East, BAE Systems Saudi Arabia, a division that is highly integrated with the kingdom's military, providing air, naval, land, IT, cybersecurity, electronics, and intelligence assets, along with services that allow Saudi Arabia's Air Force, Land Forces, and Navy to remain a world force. In the United States, multiple divisions provide the world's largest military services and assets. Electronic systems contracts, aircraft, military services, naval components, weapons, and many other components that make up a large share of BAE's revenue are earned through long-term contracts with various branches of the US government and military. Of course, at their headquarters in England, BAE runs an extensive business providing countless services to the Royal Navy, Army, and Air Force, generating and helping manufacture submarines, aircrafts, and planes, along with hundreds of other auxiliary items and services. Unfortunately, due to time constraints, this video cannot possibly go over the dozens of divisions and sectors this company earns its revenue from, but everything from nuclear weapon components to submarines is part of the portfolio that make up this world-renowned global defense firm. So why invest in it? Well, on top of a nice dividend and strong financial sheet, BAE Systems finds itself in a world with escalating tensions and growing world powers. Russia's growing weapons arsenal, the Saudis' aggression in Yemen, India's conflict with Pakistan, and of course China's massive military buildup will force many of BAE Systems' most significant partners to keep up with the pace. We are in a world that's seeing significant competition between major world powers who seek to grow their military and influence around the world. I will remain heavily invested in BAES throughout 2019, a bumpy year set to generate record revenues considering the geopolitical situation in the world today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.